Hi there, I'm James Sparks. I had my makeover and I'm actually just here for a service appointment today. When I first got home with my hair, all my kids did a double take. My 2-year-old daughter looked like she didn't even recognize me. She was like, "Daddy?" and when I went to church, all of my church friends were like, "Hey, now you actually fit in with us for the first time. Like, you were the only bald guy on the worship team." And now I'm not. And it's probably one of the coolest things that has ever happened in my entire life. In my job, I'm actually a sales guy, so I meet with people on a daily basis, and I'm expected to be able to sell. And what my hair has done for me, what HRI and Vern have done for me, is that now I have this unfathomable confidence that I've never actually really experienced before, because I've always been balding since I was 18 years old. So in the sales field, this is an amazing thing, because instead of being bald and not really being sure of myself when I go in there, I can't even quantify the massive amount of sales I've gotten since I got my hair, because I'm not afraid to smile, show them my face, and go in and see my customers. So I used to actually shave my head into a mohawk, because I started to bald a lot up around the edges here, and so I shaved everything else off and I just had this mohawk going on, and it worked for about a month, and then my hair loss started to dig into the middle, and it got to the point where I actually just had the island, this little baby soul patch poof up on the top of my head, and it was probably one of the worst experiences, because people can see, and you know that they know that you're going bald, and I wanted nothing more than to have actual hair back on my head again, and HRI helped me do that.